moving gently forward and probing left and right, overhead to the rear, just to make sure that they don't get lured into any form of trap. Now half track gently moving forward. If you can imagine the terrain, hedgerows, deep lanes, pretty much like the Normandy countryside is.
Achtung! Achtung!
Now and the allies have fallen back, but both sides now able to exchange fire with each position. Allied patrols now decamped and taking the orange spotted stove has now been dropped and onto the active position. Which is now starting to pound the positions. It seems that there's been a hit on one of the axes here. Lots of mortar strikes around the artillery position. German forces are now taking casualties.
Never stretch you in there. That's going to leave it then. Yeah, we'll dig a peek forward. Come out! Oh, the old German.
Allied forces are now making their way towards the German position. The whole vehicle knocked out and taking numerous strikes from the artillery. Caliber hammering away here from the top of the hard track into the German positions. Allied forces now trying to work their way around to the back of the Allied position.
We won. Hurry up and round the battle off. Get him all to advance.
And it looks like we've got another strike on this armoured car, the German armoured car. A lot of smoke issuing from the turret area. Seems to have penetrated well and truly into the Allied positions now. Forces well and truly won the day there. Round of applause for everyone, ladies and gentlemen.